shaping a culture of responsible driving. His journey into road safety advocacy is rooted in a very deep personal tragedy. He is ably assisted by legendary cricketer Mohammad Azharuddin. In 2011, he lost his 16-year-old son Ajmal and his 19-year-old nephew Ayaz, son of former Indian cricket captain Mohammad Azharuddin, to a fatal road accident caused by speeding. We are fortunate today to have Mr. Mohammad Khaliqur Rahman personally travel all the way to speak to you students about this organization, his story, and a chance to connect to his organization meaningfully, socially impactfully, and with an air of service. I invite Mr. Khaliqur Rahman to please come up on the stage.
Good afternoon. It is in fact a great pleasure, a great honor for me to be here amongst all of you. Just a couple of days back, I've received a call that this quest is happening here in DPS Monarch International School, Doha. And then they wanted to have a session specially on something which touches the heart of the people and which is in fact something which can educate especially the youth to stay safe on the roads and to be more responsible. So then, as you all know, and as Bindraji has already explained to you, this personal tragedy which happened with me and my brother-in-law, Mr. Mohammad Azharuddin, that's way back in 2011. I had lost my 16 years old son, Ajmal, who was a very bright youngster and in fact was almost on the verge of knocking on the doors of playing for the country. And my 19 years old nephew, Ayaz, who was again 19 years old. Again, you know, one of the finest cricketers at that age. And these two youngsters with a very bright future, with aspirations, and as you know, because at that age, there's something called the Josh. All these youngsters will have that thrill. They want to do something which is extraordinary. But unfortunately, these two young guys also, you know, fell in that trap. And then on a Sunday morning on 11th of September 2011, they, without informing us, took the bike, and since the new outer ring road was new in Hyderabad, they just wanted to try their skill, and then they went there. And unfortunately after that, they never returned here, but they returned to their God, to the Almighty. And you can all imagine, you can all connect with me, because it's, you know, a very personal loss. And you can imagine that father seeing the dead body of his son in front of his own eyes, and that is what in fact has given the birth to a road safety campaign called the Youth Against Speed, which all you can see here. Because for almost about 3 months we were totally shattered. We were in a state of trauma, me, my wife and the entire family. And then we decided what to do, because we can't, you know, carry on like this. Then I think it was a divine thought which came into our mind. Then we decided that the trauma, the pain, what we are facing, what we have been going through, the other parents should not go through the same. So we thought that we can do something to save the lives of the youngsters, which are very valuable. Not only for the family, but for the community, for the society, for the country. Because, see, you are all youngsters here. You're all the future of this world. You're all the future of this country. And as you understand, because every youngster has a particular talent, a particular skill. You could be the greatest sports person, you could be the greatest mathematician, you could be the greatest professor, you could be a greatest academician and what not. But unfortunately, just imagine if you lose your valuable life to such a freak accident, then what will happen to your family? Have you ever imagined this kind of trauma? I hope and pray that no family will ever have to undergo this, what we have been through. But this grief, we converted that into a purpose because we thought that we should try whatever we could to save the young lives, and that is how we started working with the youth, we started working with the schools, we started working with the institutions, the colleges, and even with the corporates. And I think we have covered more than 2,000 schools, not only in India, but globally. Because this is a global campaign. And we, in fact, with our advocacy, even the United Nations, recognized the road safety as a very important subject and passed a resolution. Because as you know, I'm here very much privileged because the TPS Monarch is one of the finest institutions in this part of the region, and I'm extremely grateful especially to the management of the TPS Monarch and also to Madam Bendre, the founder of the Right Track, who are into overseas education. I in fact arrived here some time back and then I was just listening to the presentation. And do you understand why Madam Bendre has come all the way from India to Doha? And why have I come all the way? It's not that I'm related to you guys. It's not that I know you guys. But it is a purpose which brought me here. And the purpose is to create awareness, especially among the students. I feel that though I lost one son, but through you, I see hundreds, thousands, and millions of sons. So this is what I feel that has brought me all the way with a very short notice from India to Doha. That's how I'm standing here. And we in fact offer the online internship to the students, to the youth who want to join this campaign and who want to be the ambassadors of this campaign and who wants to take the messages of this road safety campaign. And through this internship, we in fact try to create a sense of responsibility among the youngsters so that they can get to know the rules and the regulations of the road safety, and then they can understand the importance of road safety in one's life. And being responsible is very important. And it's not just that you come to the school, you just listen to the lectures of your teachers, then you go back home. But what is important, as the ma'am said, that the volunteering, the internship, because these are the extra, the skills what you should learn, and through this you can serve the society. Because you must have heard about a proverb, about a saying called the service to humanity is the service to God. So everyone should have that spirit in you, because that's what makes you a great human being. Simply acquiring a degree will not make you a great human being, because that you are acquiring for your own self. With that you will be making a good career out of you. But that is not the end of you, because one has to understand the existence of ourselves into this world. And it is important that when God sent us into this world, He sent us all with a purpose and with a particular skill and a talent. So each one of you has a particular skill, has a talent, and you probably, as I said in my initial remarks, could be one of the greatest players, maybe of the tennis, of the cricket, of the soccer. But at the same time, you have to be a responsible citizen in order to serve the society, and you should learn to give back to the society. And me traveling all the way from India to here, in fact, gives only one message, that how this campaign is important not only for me but for the entire youth. And in fact, one day I think as my friend requested, we'll also bring Mr. Mohammad Azharuddin to this institution, because while I was entering into this institution, I was hugely impressed to see the facilities here. And through this online internship, I want to tell you that you can, register yourself, you can enroll yourself, and through this, you can try to educate yourself with regard to the rules and the regulations of this, and then you can even pass on to your family members. And it is also very important, not only just the students, but even the parents can also enroll themselves, because we have to be a very responsible parent, because parenting is very important. And I feel somewhere, because when that accident happened with my son, I feel that even somewhere we were also responsible, because we gave them the bike at such a young age. But sometimes what happens is, because we are all, have the emotional connect with our children, and we get carried away with that, because when they insisted, we thought that, okay, let's get them the bike. That probably was the biggest mistake, the biggest blunder committed by us. So I, in fact, would like to request the parents especially that you can definitely, listen to the demands of the students, which they can justify, but don't ever fall prey and come into the emotional trap, because most of the time we are on the guilt trip, because we are not able to give enough time because of our busy schedules, the careers, especially to our children. So then what we do is we even try to satisfy their desires. Like if someone wants to buy a bike, we get them the bike. So I think it is very important for all of us to understand that how important the road safety is, because it is not just, most of the accidents happen only because of our fault, but it is because of the other person's fault also, because if you are going on the right track, but someone might come and hit you. So it is not just you have to learn to drive safely, but you also have to be a very watchful driver when you are on the road. So it is important that you be a very good observer when you are on the road, when you are driving, either it's a bike or a car. And the speed, in fact, thrills everyone, because speed thrills me. But there are various platforms to showcase your, the thrill for the speed. Instead of the roads, the same speed you can show in your career, you can show in your school. You can top the school, you can top the university, you can top the country. In fact, you could probably one of the best students, you could probably one of the best leaders in your own field. So this is very important. So my message especially to you all is to please come forward, enroll yourself for this online internship, so that it will give us a great amount of satisfaction, because when I've traveled all the way from India to Doha, I can go back with a lot of satisfaction that so many parents and so many students have enrolled with us, and we are going to work very closely with the DPS Monarch International School here, and we will be partnering with them especially for this online internship program, and will keep coming to you. And this is very simple. Once you enroll, then you go through this. This will be about 3 months internship. Then after that, in fact, you will be awarded with a certificate, which in fact will be very useful for your future, especially when you are seeking admissions in different universities, be it US or be it any other country, be it India. And then not only that, even after you finish your studies, even in your career also it will be very helpful, because you will be learning a lot of things through this online internship program. And it is a very well designed and dedicated program, which you will in fact be happy to discover as you enroll yourself. And I'm also extremely grateful to Madam Bakshi here, who is the principal of this great institution. And I've in fact been to many institutions in different parts of the country and also in our country. But when I came here, because my two children, my son and daughter, they are the products of DPS. So this in fact connects me emotionally also with this great institution, but not here in Doha. They studied in DPS in India, in Hyderabad actually. And let me tell you, you are all really blessed that you are studying, you got an opportunity to study in an institution like the DPS, because DPS is not just only a brand for the school, but DPS is something which can touch your lives, we can change your lives with its curriculum and very student-friendly approach. And as you all know, because my son and I am really, happy to announce, just 2 days back, he's an architect today. He has in fact been working on the Telangana High Court project, which is an iconic project in Telangana. And he has got this opportunity to work on this project mainly because he had a very strong foundation in the DPS. And because of his mentors, his teachers, his well-wishers and all, he could get that opportunity, which I think not only me, but the entire DPS family is proud of, including the school, I have to say, because this again is a part of our DPS family, in fact. So with these few words, because I know the time is running out and I'm keeping everyone waiting here, but I'm sure how many of you would like to, enroll? There's no hurry, you don't have to enroll right now. Your principal madam is here, and then this in fact will be circulated to you through the school. Then you can enroll yourself, and after 3 months again, I promise you that once you complete your internship program, I'll come here again to distribute the certificates physically for the first batch. Later on probably you can get it online, but for the first batch we will come with the certificates and with the mementos, and that you can carry with you with pride and the kind of satisfaction, and that will be a permanent memory for you. So you can I think the slide has gone, so that's the reason, because you must have noticed the logo of the Youth Against Speed, because it shows the speedometer of the car. And when you look at it, because there is a arrow which is coming from this side, and it is stopping the speed at the 60 limit there. So and then underneath that it is written as the Youth Against Speed. Why? Because the driver is trying to accelerate, but it is the youth who is trying to stop that speed. And whichever school we go, we give the pledge, especially to the school, to the students and everyone out there, and they take the pledge that they will never be overspeeding on the roads, they will be respecting the elders, the teachers, and if there were no teachers, probably we couldn't have been the better human beings, because they are the people who, because today if I am able to stand in front of you, it is all because of my parents, it is all because of my teachers, because their contribution in my life is so important. So we all must learn to respect them, not just when we are here in the school, but in our life. So today I am extremely grateful to all those, the parents, the students, the teachers, and the organization, the Right Track, and also the DPS Monarch International for having given us an opportunity to be here before you to talk about the road safety campaign, which is not only close to my heart, but it is close to the hearts of the millions and millions of parents, because believe me, wherever I go, hundreds and hundreds of parents come to me and they said that, sir, you are doing a great service. But I don't think I'm doing a great service. I'm doing my job, my responsibility, because my message to every single parent, every single youth is to be responsible and try to create the safer roads, not only for yourself, but for everyone. So with these few words, I would like to take your leave, and I once again, from the bottom of my heart, would like to thank the DPS Monarch International School, and also the right track, Ms. Bindre, and everyone out here, and especially to the parents and the students for having me here. And I am going back with a message that I'm going to come back again after 3 months to present the certificates. And by that time, I'll not be standing alone here. I'm sure I'll be having hundreds of students here with me who by then be completing the internship and with their certificate in their hearts. Thank you very much, and hope you all are having a great afternoon, and wish you all a very bright future, a very safe future, and just keep this in mind that whenever you go out, because you'll be in fact eligible for the license to drive the car, but be responsible, and whenever you sit on the behind the wheel, keep one thing in your mind, that you have your parents, you have your family who are waiting for your safe return. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Huh? Yeah. So please.
We have not declared the volume. No, we have not declared. I'll just tell you why I'm asking.
Khushbu, the laptop got locked. Can you just come up?